have a system that I'm planning to develop. So I just want to show you a test really how the system will be used. I'm not sure if there's already a system like this outside there, but if it's there already, then people can give me how best can I make it to be a good system. So I want you guys, wherever you are, see the system, wherever pakufunika my changes, let me know where I can do my changes. So the system, the idea and the dream is to be used by Malawi Prison Service. As I've already said, I don't know if the Malawi Prison Service is using a system that stores data for the prisons there. I don't know if the system is already there. It might be part of my training, like exercise. How can I make my systems? So I don't waste much of your time. Let's go straight to our system. Then we see what's inside that system. So first tree, I'll take you to my system that I develop. Is that so yeah, so this is Sanja Prison System plugin. So as an admin, I'll log in. So that's my landing page. This is the dashboard for the system. The moment you log in into your system, you have some beautiful things that you can see. For example, here we have upcoming release, who is to be released. It will show you a list of people that will be released. Overstaying remand. How many people do we have remand or they have stayed there for so long? So the system will show you who these people they have overstayed. So as someone who is the office in charge has to come up with his strategies, what to do. Managing a career of prison. So they have to link up with those people. They can do whatever they can to release people that are overstayed remand, which means they can go to court to receive their judgment. Now, so this is the dashboard, as I've already said. So it is on Saudi how many inmates we have at that prison. If we have thousands of inmates, it will show us, and then those inmates will be segregated by male or female. For example, here we have 5 inmates, they are female. Remand, we have 2 cases. Remand, which people that unfortunately they are not yet given my journey, my judgment. Yeah, we have 2, and then down here we have inmate status distribution. So as you have already seen, go to my inmate status distribution. Inmate Guja, we have 5 people, 2 people they are under remand. Okay? 2 people they are under remand. So, and then here we have gender distribution. We have male, which is 5 males that are there as inmates. So we have another tab after we have landed into our system. We have another tab which is inmate tab. Here we are going to have the whole database for our system. So this database is going to be stored in an SQL somewhere, and then we'll extract the data, put it with the we call it UI, that's user interface, whereby users can interact with data that we have in our database. So, for example, as we have said, we have 5 inmates. The moment we land in, we have 5 inmates. So this is the prison number. This is like a primary key for the prisoner. This is the first name of a prisoner, gender, status, block that a prisoner is, and the cell remaining prisoner Aguka. I hope some of you that are working with prison, they know what I mean. So, for example, if you want to edit the prisoner, let's say mina defuna desinte status yake. It's a male, mina by mistake mina malowetsayo instead of a male I will send it's a female. So you can what? You can do as well. Mina blog janarani malowesa cellular bigger, blog also another cellular bigger, you can update. So the idea is to have this system whereby my officers are prisoners, they can be able to manage my prisoners out through the system that is going to be there. That's just an idea. Now let's say we want to add my inmates. Here also we can add what? So we feed in the information of our inmates. What's the prison number? Of course, the idea is this prison number is going to be generated automatically. That one I will do. So I will show you in the next video. So like right now we're just putting it manually. The name is the cat. You see, the DOB of the prisoner is saved another 2. Just an example. Is a male. So this time around, let's give him female. Ceremony B, C, sentence C. Let's say life in prison. What? We save. Because it's life in prison, no need good enough when it was in we back to our, you see, numbers as updated. Now we have 5 what? 5 inmates. So let's say ajawawa amaliza sentence yao. So the system has to say with it. This one is what? Released. You see, it has updated. So when you go back to our landing page, see, now you see gender distribution here, and you see there have 1 female and we have 5 males. You see, quite need to map this. So because the system is not yet finished, I'll keep on bringing in some other ideas. So if you guys will be open with me, you tell me, well, you know what, they're supposed to do this, you're supposed to do this, you're supposed to do this. To me, it's just an idea. We can have this system. If it works well, some well wishers, they can give me what to do, where to collect, and how to make it a good system. So guys, this is just a phase 1 of the system. I'll bring in some more features. For example, here I have to come up with a sample data for staffs, visitors who come in that day, blah blah. Medical. Here we are going to have a medical status for all the prisoners within and the like. Discipline whatsoever, and what was the other thing that I was about to say? Here we have cases and what? Case and sentence management. So that case was given by, or was, Zagu Prison. I'm not good at management. I have idea. magistrate yake anali ndani, court yake inali yakuti lese ndi yakunsanje, the name of the inmate is wakuti, case number is mwakuti, remand ali ku remand, if is yes apapa tikuti tikanaona wani sali ku remand. Appeal anapanga appeal nani, if he appeal ndiye kuti, for example this one, he appeal is on pending, is waiting for what. The system is, I'm going to have more ideas from you guys. So that's it, that's phase one. I'm looking for ideas from you guys. I hope you will tell me when and where to do those changes for this system to be a good system. Otherwise, thank you for watching this video. Have a blessed day. Shalom.